Welcome to Octolize Guide on using plugins in WooCommerce. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your online store, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know about selecting, installing, and managing WooCommerce plugins effectively. Let's dive in. What are WordPress plugins? First things first, what exactly is a WordPress plugin? Plugins are extensions that add new features and functionalities to your WordPress site. Think of them as building blocks that can transform your simple website into a powerful e-commerce platform, complete with social networking, content management, and much more. But remember, it's crucial to choose plugins wisely to ensure they enhance your site without compromising security or performance. How to find the correct plugin? With over 58,000 free plugins and countless premium options available, here are 3 key steps to help you make the best choice. Define your needs. Clearly outline what you want to achieve with your store. This focus will streamline your search and ensure you select plugins that truly add value. Thorough research. Check plugin reviews, the number of active installations, and the update history. This helps ensure the plugin is reliable and compatible with your site. Choose proven suppliers. Select plugins from reputable developers who specialize in specific areas, like shipping or payment gateways. This ensures better functionality and support. Free versus premium WooCommerce plugins. Free plugins are great for basic functionalities. For example, a free shipping plugin can turn your WooCommerce store into a functional e-commerce site without any cost. However, support is usually limited to community forums. On the other hand, come with a price tag but offer powerful features, dedicated support, regular updates to functionality enhancements, and advanced customization options. How to install WordPress plugin. In one of our earlier videos, we walked you through the WooCommerce plugin installation process step by step. If you're new to this, we highly recommend checking out that video to gain a comprehensive understanding. Where to find the plugin after installation. After installing a plugin, you need to activate it in the plugin section of your WordPress dashboard. Once activated, you can access the plugin settings either directly from the plugin section or through a new menu item added by the plugin. Plugins often add their own settings pages, making it easy to configure them. At Octolize, we specialize in shipping methods, so you'll find our plugins under the Shipping tab or directly within the Plugins section. This allows you to quickly manage and customize your shipping options to fit your business needs. Updating and managing plugins. Managing plugin updates efficiently ensures your site remains secure and functional. Here's a systematic approach. Create a regular update routine. Schedule regular checks for plugin updates, prioritizing security patches. Backup before updating. Always back up your site before applying updates. Test in a staging environment. Use a staging site to test updates before pushing them live. Review changelogs. After the update, go to the changelog and check for new errors during this time. How to resolve common plugins issues. Even with the best plugins, issues can arise. Common problems include plugin conflicts, compatibility issues after updates, and even the dreaded white screen of death. Here's how to troubleshoot. Check for updates. Ensure all plugins and your WordPress core are up to date. After the update, go to the changelog and check for new errors during this time. Use a staging site. Test changes in a safe environment to avoid affecting your live site. Deactivate and reactivate. Deactivate all plugins and reactivate them one by one to identify the plugin that causes problems. Contact support. Once you've tracked down which plugin is the issue, then reach out to the plugin developer with detailed information about the difficulty. Remember that the more information you provide to the support of a particular plugin, the faster and more specific help you will get. Support will be grateful to you for providing WooCommerce status, information at what point the issue occurred, how you identified it. Any screenshots, contents of the occurring errors or screen recordings will be extremely useful. Best practices for plugin security. Maintaining a secure website while using plugins is paramount. Follow these best practices to safeguard your site. Download from reputable sources. Only use plugins from the WordPress plugin directory or trusted premium providers. Limit the number of plugins. Fewer plugins mean fewer potential security vulnerabilities. Remove unused plugins. Deactivate and delete any plugins you're not using to reduce risk. Regular updates. Keep all plugins, themes, and WordPress itself updated to patch any security vulnerabilities. Strong passwords and permissions. Implement robust security measures to protect your site from unauthorized access. consider using two-factor authentication. In summary, using WooCommerce plugins effectively can significantly enhance your online store's functionality and user experience. By carefully selecting, installing, and managing your plugins, you can create a secure, efficient, and feature-rich e-commerce platform. Thank you for watching Octolize guide on WooCommerce plugins. Feel free to leave a comment below this video. Happy WordPressing!